So this is the Astonish cleaning paste all natural powder. It's called the good one. It does have like a little minty fragrance to it, which is not overpowering or anything, so I'm quite excited to show you guys where it's worked for me. I want to see if all these can actually come off using the paste. So today I'm going to find out how well the Astonish works. Does it remove all these burnt on food marks, just all these marks inside this pot? I just want to know how much, compared to like the pink stuff, how well does it work to remove these marks inside your pot and also at the bottom of your pot. So I'm going to try it out on other surfaces around the house, just to see how well it works on those, and if it's something I'm going to be keeping in my house next to the pink stuff, or it's not something I'm going to use. So join me today. So the base of this pot really needs some TLC, and I'm hoping you guys can see that. I'm hoping it works really well, and let's see how much effort is required to remove this type of stain. So let's dive right in. I'm going to use, it's a bit difficult to take off, to be fair. This is my elbow grease one. I do like the fragrance, like got like a minty fragrance to it, so it's actually quite nice. It's not overbearing or anything. Let's rinse it out and see. It's already looking better, and that minty, that hint of mint smells really nice actually. But yeah, I'm gonna repeat the process to get it a lot better than it was before. I'm having to wear gloves because this is the first time I'm actually using this paste. A lot better than how we first started. I'm going to try the inside too. Only thing I can say I dislike is how opening it is a bit of a challenge. It's just a bit of a struggle to, oh, there we go. Right, I'm going to put some gloves on. These are a bit bigger than my normal size. Go. I'm going to rinse it out. There we go. Not perfect, but a lot better than what it looked like when we first started. So I'm going to repeat the process again, and I'll be back soon. So this is the inside of this one. It was quite bad, but a lot of it has come off. Is it perfect? No. I think I could probably repeat the process again to probably get the desired result. So yeah, I might do that again, but I just don't want to bore you guys with me repeating the same thing again. So my final thoughts at the moment, I've not used it on every other surface like to remove grout and on tiles and stuff like that, but currently just on pots it's done a good job, to be fair. But I felt like when it came to my pots I had to repeat the process a little bit longer, a little few more times than I will. This is, I guess, comparing it to stuff like the pink stuff, where I think I'll probably repeat the process twice. But with this one, I think I might repeat the process a little bit more just to get the desired result. But at the same time, I could be because my pot is really bad. So I'm not saying it's not great. I think it's good paste. It works well. I like the minty fragrance to it. It's not overbearing. I think it works fine. It works okay as well in the sink. It does leave a little shine to it as well. Can't fault it. I just probably dislike this. To remove it, it's a little bit of a struggle, and especially like if you've got any remainder product around here, it's going to be a struggle to remove. And just literally, it's quite difficult to take off. Yeah, it's a bit of a struggle to take off. So if you've got nails, I don't, it might be a bit of a struggle to take off, but overall I think it's a really good product. I like it. I'll try it out on other surfaces and I will let you guys know, but overall it's done a really good job. And yeah, try it out. Let me know if you guys have tried it out, and I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.